Yo, hello everyone. I'm Tom the guy. What's up? I think you all are doing very good, really. So today's concept is we're going to build a simple alarm clock program using Python. Basically, I love watching tutorials of Python or any other language from brocode, and now I have made a video with the help of brocode's Python. And in that, he teaches how to build an alarm clock using Python. Therefore, I will follow the same way. So I think there will be no copyright issues on me, and hopefully, let's go. So we are going to start with the IDE. So it's PyCharm. And for this project, we need a sound file because the alarm is all about making sound at the last so that you can wake up. For that, I have chosen a simple sound file that is a very beautiful melody Telugu song, Train to Color. So we need to make an alarm clock. For that, we need to import some modules. That is, we are actually working with the time. So therefore, we need to import the time module. And then we will import the date time module. And then we will import the pygame module. So why actually the pygame? And this doubt will be clarified soon after. So let's define a function. Uh, Set up array. At what time? So we will pass at what time as a parameter. For this time, I'm passing the function. Therefore, we will write the dunder method if name equal to main. Sorry. So dunder means double underscore. So if we need to keep the double underscore, they're actually the initializing methods in the Python. If name equal to main, we will run the function, a specific alarm time. But we need to set the alarm time. So setting the alarm time, let us prompt that for user. Only then our user can interact with program. So alarm time equal to input, enter the time, wake you up. But and one more thing, we need to tell the user specifically to enter the time in this format. So therefore no issues occur. So therefore the user need to enter the time in hours, minutes and seconds. Remember, we need to enter the time in 24-hour format. And that's it. Now we will write core logic. At first, we will print what is the current time. So for that, we need to get the current time. Therefore, before that, we will print at what time the alarm is actually going to make sound. So print alarm set at time. And that's it. And now we will declare a Boolean variable. But before that, we will give the sound file. Yes, sound file equal to. We will ensure the path is correct. That is .mp3. And that's it. The sound file is set. Now we will set the Boolean variable to true. So therefore, we are going to use a while loop. Why we are going to use a while loop? Because at a specific time, the function should be go on running. So we will use the while loop. While is running, we will print the current time. That is, for current time, we need to use the datetime module. Datetime now, and we will string format the time. What? Like in this format, that is hours, right, minutes, and seconds. And that's it. This is finished. And we need to print this current time. And then, so what's the core logic of this program? When our current time is equal to the time at alarm set, the alarm should start making sound. Therefore, we will use the if statement. If our current time is equal to alarm time, then we need to make the sound. So how are we going to make the sound? Before making the sound, we will print a message. Oh, I'm missing the E. Wakey wakey, time for school. And how we are going to actually make the sound? For that, we are using the module Pygame. So how we are going to use it? But we need to first initialize a important function called mixer from Pygame. Therefore, how we can initialize it? So pygame.mixer.init. And once initializing finished, we will start mixing the sound. But we need to first load it. How can we load? We will load the sound file. Once we load the sound file, we get the sound. Music.play. Good. The music plays. But before we are going to give a trial, we need to set at where the while loop should stop. Where the while loop should stop when the current time equals alarm time, it should exit the loop. How we can exit? We will set the is running variable to false. Therefore, is running equals false. Until then, we are going to make view freeze for 1 second. So let's test this program. So what's our time now? It's currently 21:21. That means 9:21. So we'll set the alarm for 22:00. Okay, it's working. Let's see how the sound will come. Oh, see, observe that. Wakey wakey, time for school. The sound is coming correctly, but one mistake is it just come from a fraction of a second and then it stop the program. So to not make sure this happens, sorry for the cough. To make sure this happens, we need to use the get busy method. Get busy method will check if the music file is going on or it stops. Therefore, after play, we will write the logic. While pygame.mixer.music get busy. It will return a boolean value, either true or false. So while true, it will just freeze the CPU for a second. So after the music has finished, it will return false. So at that time, we will set is running false. Therefore, and it will run correctly. Let's check once. So what's our time? It's 9:23. Alright guys, the program is working correctly until now, but let's see how the output will come. 46, 47, 48. We are approaching 50. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go.
నిన్నటి వరకు నేనా నిన్ను చూసాకేలేనా నిన్నెలా కలిసేనాదను
Good, good, good. The program is working really good, and I think you like the sound file song also. That's it for today, guys, and I'm going to post another new video tomorrow. Until then, take rest, be happy, see you soon. Bye bye.